Distance, long or short, every one of us use WhatsApp. With the switch of WhatsApp to Facebook's hand, many things have changed from WhatsApp calls, video calls, status, etc. Everything has been a favor for us. Adding to the list, here comes the WhatsApp stickers, a new way to share emotions. Let's see how to use it on our phones. First of all, get into WhatsApp, settings, help, and then app info. If you see this version number, then you are good to go. But if you aren't in this version number, just do as I do. Get into Play Store, search for WhatsApp. If you find any updates, just install it. If it only shows to open or uninstall, then come back, get into Chrome, search for WhatsApp APK, mirror, and download the latest version you see there. That's pretty much it. Download and install the APK package and you get the new WhatsApp stickers updated on your WhatsApp. The stickers are arranged according to different emotions. You can add different stickers if you want. Your downloaded stickers will save into My Stickers tab. As of now, there are only limited stickers, but with updates, many more stickers will be added. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, hit the like button, and if you want to share, hit the share button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.